Привет, мой классе. Как дела? It's Michael Castillo. I'm speaking in a Russian accent to make this lecture/video more interesting. So without further ado, let's go into what we have been learning for about the past 3 months. So, first off, starting off with Chapter 6. In Chapter 6, we learned more about variables. So, in this case, we're going to start off with something very basic. Does x2 and y3 give us the exact answers for this given equation? So let's test it out. So remember, this is x, this is y. So we put x right here and right here. For y, we put it right here and also right here. So let's see if this is true. So let's start off with the top one. So 3x, let me see, there we go. 3x plus 5y equals 21. Alright, so in this case, x is 2 and y is 3. So that would make this 6, and that would make this 15. So now the question is, does 6 plus 15 equal 21? The answer is duh, if you actually have eyes and can comprehend basic math. Now, let's see if we have the same exact result for the second problem. So, the top problem is correct. 2x minus y equals 1. So, for x we have 2, so it's 2 times 2 minus y, which in this case is 3. So, let's multiply those together. Gives us 4 minus 3. Does that equal 1? Of course it does. If you do not understand this, you're stupid. Okay. Let's see here. 3x plus 5. Okay, I know what we're doing. So, right here, we're seeing if we're trying to find out if we put in the variable in for x and multiply it by its exponent and the number prior to it, add 5, what number will it give us? Find out. So that would be 4. 4 to the power of 2 is 16. So now it's 3 times 16 plus 5. Now, because of PEMDAS, we have to start off with the multiplication first. So 16 times 3. So 16 times 2 is 32. So 16 times 3 would be 48. So it's 48 plus 5. So if we add the 5, that gives us 53. Duh. Alright, chapter 8. Find the greatest common factor. So, they gave us the numbers of 36 and 42. So, what are the greatest common factors of 36 and 42? So, let's see here. Well, we could obviously see that both can be divisible by 2. So, are we able to go any further than 2? Well, we could probably go to 6. Because 6 times 6, as you know, is equal to 36. But if we were to multiply it by 7, we'd get 42. So thus, 6 would be the greatest common factor. Finally, finding the square root. So what is the square root? So, the square root means, how do I say it? It's kind of like the result of an exponent. What two numbers multiplied by itself create this number, 144? Well, if you did your sixth grade multiplication tables, then you should know darn well that if we were to square root 144, the answer would obviously be 12. Alright, спасибо, класс. I hope you've enjoyed me doing this Russian accent and torturing my throat for the past 5 minutes and 33 seconds. Poka.